Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn STM32 programming, updated. Begin by installing STM32 Cube IDE or an ARM GCC toolchain, then connect a Nucleo or Discovery board. Flash a simple LED blink example to confirm the toolchain and board work. Learn to read a button and use timers next. Practice small steps, read reference manual sections when stuck, and build confidence by combining peripherals into tiny projects. In this video, I will explain how to learn STM32 programming, updated. Focus on the Cortex-M core, NVIC, and interrupt basics before diving deep. Study clock trees and power modes to make reliable, efficient software. Use HAL drivers to prototype quickly, then read reference manuals and switch to direct register control for performance and predictability. Iterate with small projects, test frequently, and keep notes on register settings and common pitfalls for future reference. In this video, I will explain how to learn STM32 programming, updated. Attach an ST-Link or compatible debugger and step through code to inspect variables and registers. Use UART or SWV for runtime logging and to measure timing behavior. Employ version control for your projects and backups to preserve working states. Learn to set breakpoints, watch expressions, and examine peripheral registers while running to quickly isolate issues and validate fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.